Mamasita. Today is Prince Miguel's special unboxing day. Today is his bark box. If you guys have missed any of our bark box unboxing moments, you need to check out our link right up there. You can catch all of those previous unboxings that we have done. Prince absolutely loves unboxing day, especially when it is for him, and BarkBox definitely is one of his favorites. So let's go ahead and unbox the January BarkBox. You ready, Prince? Are you ready? So for those of you who are not familiar with BarkBox, BarkBox is a box for dogs. You can go ahead and check them out at barkbox.com, and it is actually really affordable. It starts out at just $23 a month, and like most subscription boxes, if you subscribe for a longer duration, if you commit to like a 6-month or a year subscription, you will in fact get a discount on your monthly rate. So that is super awesome. If you're into getting toys and treats for your dog every single month, BarkBox is a very affordable option. As you can see, he doesn't want to wait any longer. So let's go ahead and unbox BarkBox. Are you ready, Prince?
A few moments later.
Okay, so when we open up BarkBox, it looks like this. And every month there is a fun theme. This month looks like it's called Slobber Party. So he found himself a toy already. If you take a look here, you guys, inside they have a nice little insert, and it just kind of describes the theme for the month. And what it says here is, okay pups, put on your PJs and spin around till you find your place on the dog bed. Because we're throwing a slobber party. That's right, there'll be games, snacks, and maybe even some prank calls to the cat next door. All your squeaky besties RSVP'd, so this party won't stop till the last pup poops out. What do you think about that, Prince, huh? He already found a couple toys, you guys. In every single BarkBox, there are a couple toys that fit the particular theme of the box. And here's one here that we got. Look at that, isn't that cute? And it is a squeaker. Look at that, isn't that adorable? This little toy, he's got his little pajamas on. So cute. You want that one? I did already take the tags off of it, so it is safe for him to play with right now. And then his other toy is a little slipper. It's got the little crinklies on it, so it makes that fun little sound that most dogs absolutely love. And I don't know if that one has a squeaker in it, because he just kind of took that out of my hands right away. Also, every BarkBox has 2 bags of treats along with a chew. So here is the Clucky Soft Bakes. We have received these before. Comes in a really good size bag. This particular flavor is chicken recipe with veggies, and we'll try those in just a minute. He's licking his lips already, aren't you? They smell good? Do they smell good? Our other treat bag is beef crunchies. Also a nice good size bag here. And what I love about the BarkBox treats are they are good for your dog. 100% beef, 100% your dog's obsession. Crisp and crunchy, small bites for training. Enjoy as a treat or as a topper. And real dog people happy to help. They'll treat you right. Dog obsessed happy teams on the line and ready to address any needs or questions that ever come up. So these are 100% beef bites, air dried to preserve natural nutrition and drool worthy taste. Will make your dog beg and plead for more. And at less than 2 calories per treat, you can spoil your dog a little or a lot. You know you want to. I don't think we've received these before, have we? I don't think so. These have wholesome grains made with nourishing barley, no added wheat, soy, or corn. And yeah, so they always try to send the good stuff for your dogs in here. This is actually a recipe that is made with USA farm-raised chicken and scrumptious potatoes and barley. So we will try those. And then we've got a pumpkin and honey recipe pet gourmet chew. Ooh, look at that. That's gonna be fun to try, isn't it? You wanna try some? Yeah? Okay, but first, let's take a look at the Slumber Party theme here, you guys. As you can see, there's all of these toys are part of the Slumber Party theme collection. We received the Joey Jammies and the Barely Sleepy Slipper. So these are so much fun. I love the themes every month, so much fun. And as you can see, Prince Miguel absolutely loves this box. We're gonna open these up and try. They smell kind of good, don't they? Yeah. Okay, so here's what these look like. Little square bites. And then he's gonna try. Chew it out. Is that good? Is that good? I think he likes them. And then we have the beef crunchies. These look like a dried out beef jerky. You take a look at that. See those? You want to try that? He's smelling it, checking it out. You like those? Okay, so let's go ahead, you guys, do a quick review, and then we are going to have Prince rate that box. Are you almost ready, Prince? We're gonna rate it, okay? So, the monthly theme is a Slobber Party. Super fun, so super cute. I love the little images on here. Do you guys remember back in the day when we played the game MASH? Yeah, they have that on there, as well as the Dog Sitters Club, a little description of the theme, as well as all of the different options that you can receive in your box as far as the toys go. And inside every single bark box that you guys get, you're going to be getting 2 bags of treats, a chew, and 2 toys. Here we go. We got this one, and we got this one. This one also has a little squeaker inside as well. Okay, Prince, are you ready? Should we go ahead and rate the box? And rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Woo!
Later.
When we rate the box, you guys, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't go there. 10 being, yes, queen, you need to buy this box. We rate based on a variety of factors, including the packaging of the box, the presentation of the box, the variety of the items in the box, as well as the price point and the value of the box. What do you think, Prince? Did you like this box? What'd you say? What'd you say? Prince Miguel is going to rate his box. Are you ready? Let's hit that drum roll, please, shall we, Prince? Hit that drum roll, please. Prince Miguel rates the bark box a 8. If you guys want to check out BarkBox, go to barkbox.com. We will also leave a link down in our description down below. Oh, he said if you guys like the video, be sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, all that jazz, and we will be back with more BarkBox and other fun unboxings coming